How do you know if you're outgrowing your IT company? First of all, the very fact that you're asking yourself this implies that there is something wrong with the relationship. So let's run through some of the common problems that small IT providers have, and in which case you may have outgrown them. So first of all, is if you're getting slow or inconsistent response times to your tickets. If your tickets take days, not hours, to acknowledge, it's not a good sign. It means they've got too many clients and too few people to help you out. Second is the inconsistent response syndrome. What happens there is they get bursts of work. They'll get a project, they'll focus all their time and energy on the project. Unfortunately, you get neglected in the meantime. Basically, they're still understaffed. Another problem that we see a lot is that some of the smaller IT groups will come back to fix the same thing again and again. They're not looking ahead. They're not making proactive recommendations. They're just coming in and fixing it, or what they think is a fix. And then you got to call them back to take a look at it again because maybe it was only partially fixed or the fix didn't stick. It's very frustrating from your perspective. And if they are running too fast, they're not taking the time to solve it right the first time. The next thing is that the smaller providers tend to be reactive. So what does that mean? That means that they're never coming to you with recommendations. They're just reacting to the things that you bring to them. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. However, as your company matures, eventually you'll need to move up to a firm who's really more of a partner than a repair person. A repair person can be reactive. Your thing breaks, you call the guy out to fix the thing. However, for most businesses, they could gain a lot by having a proactive view of technology, of knowing that maybe this is the wrong thing and they need something different to make their business grow. All technology recommendations should be tied to a business necessity. And if you're being reactive, you're not doing that. The next thing is often the smaller guys are learning on your dime. It's a new technology to them, and they don't have any training, don't have any certifications, but they're smart people, so they can figure it out. Unfortunately, you're paying them to figure it out. Perhaps if you run into this situation, you need to partner with somebody who's maybe already certified in that area, already has some experience, and quite frankly, they're going to fix the problem quicker, which translates to cheaper for you. And then last but not least, this is a sure telltale sign, which is if you challenge any of their solutions or recommendations, they get defensive. A high-quality provider should be open to having a discussion about why they made a particular recommendation, what the pros and cons are, and how it's really best for your company. They need to be open to the idea that one solution is not the only way to go. If they're getting defensive about it, it usually means it's because that's the one solution that they know, and or they're so worried about the account that they can't think beyond the current moment. These are all not good signs. If you'd like to talk more about whether or not it's time for you to move up to an IT company instead of an IT guy, then we'd be happy to talk to you. Give us a call at 847-348-3900 or look on our website for more information, www.pcsintl.com. Look forward to talking to you soon.